What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I bring you another special video. We're actually going to go over my July stats of how I day traded, how well I do. Strictly day trading. We're not going to do any of the long term, just to show, because this is really what basically portrays or resembles my signals chat, because obviously what I take on here is what I said on the chat. Obviously I do my own kind of trades here and there, but for the most part this is everything that goes on in the signals chat. So before we go ahead and start this video, if this video gets over 300 likes, I will update you, because I have two accounts. So I'm going to show you the first account, how much I'm up on this account, and then on the second account, if we get 300 likes, I'll show you guys that on a separate video. I am in a weird situation where I'm standing right now making this video, but I am on vacation. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that. I'm just going around Egypt, next is Dubai, then I'm going to go around Europe. So I'm traveling a lot. Luckily I do have some great Wi-Fi right now, but let's go ahead and get started with this video. For this specific account, I am up $297,000. Yes, it says 288, but there is a mistake here, and I'm not sure why yet. I just saw it right now, but it's only showing 6K profit from Friday on this account, when I had another another trade that was about 10 or something like that, but it's showing 288. And then on TradeZella is showing 297. The correct, oh wait, okay, so it is right. Never mind. I guess it's showing. I just tried to figure out, well, what was the difference and what was going on. But whatever, we'll get into the video. But as of right now, TD Ameritrade is showing 288,000. If you didn't know, TD Ameritrade doesn't update you on the website immediately on your cost basis. It waits until the following day. So if you guys own TD Ameritrade, I'm sure everything's like that. I think Interactive is like that. So for the month of July, day trading strictly just on this account, I'm up $288,000. Now, it was a month where I took advantage of a lot of plays. The month wasn't that clean. It might be a crazy nice month to you guys as far as me day trading, and it is a very nice return for me, especially for me. I'm not really in that area yet consistently as far as $300,000 months just strictly day trading. I'm really in the range of 150 where I feel the most comfortable and I have the most control, and this took a lot out of me as far as how well did I do and how I performed. It did take a lot. It was draining and all that good stuff, but I'm feeling very comfortable with the size that I've been taking lately, and it took a very long time to get to this level. Having six-figure days, having 50K days, it's pretty insane to see my my progress over the years. I'm 6 years deep into this, as you guys may know. I started with an internship on Wall Street. A lot of people are gonna say, how did you get an internship on Wall Street? It was a connection. You actually could go to my Instagram. I have a picture. I also posted a picture with Donald Trump's son. I was working in the Trump building on Wall Street. It's right across from the New York Stock Exchange. So literally whenever we had lunch breaks, downstairs is literally this New York Stock Exchange. But yeah, I was a kid, I was 16, and it's crazy to see, go from, $1,000 months, couple $1,000 months, to $50,000 months, to $100,000 months, $300,000 months. I mean, I've had over $1 million months, but that was with long-term and swing trades. This is strictly day trading. I'm talking in and out during the day, and most of these trades are within a minute, right? Within a minute, a couple minutes, 5 minutes, whatever the case may be. So it's very nice to see my return. Obviously, I'm going to refresh this page so we know I'm not on Google Chrome. I'm on Safari. Just wait for this to, update for you guys. So $288,529. As you can see, it's a little bit, it's $400 off. Maybe that's something to do with fees or whatever. But let's go ahead and look at the month here. First Friday of this month on this specific account, like I said, if we get over 300 likes, I'll show you the other account. Actually, I was going to tell you how much I've made overall, but then that would just tell you how much I made on the other account. But whatever, let's stick with this. Friday, 164 bucks. That Tuesday I made 31. I lost 9. I had 5 red days this month. As you can see, 15 winners. So we had a 20-day month, trading month. You can see my win rate, 34 and 21. losers. So as I said, I do take trades on my own. I take early entries, and if I don't like the trade, I'll just get out without even talking to the chat saying I'm in and out. I like to do a little bit. That involves trades that only require me to lose like a couple $100. That's just me testing contracts, seeing how they're reacting and all that good stuff. So a lot of these losers are just me like testing out. I'm sure a lot of you understand what I'm saying, but I remember the first 2 Wednesdays I'm red, and I'm like, yo, am I cursed for Wednesday? So when this Wednesday came up, I was on my toes. I was like, yo, I gotta break this right now. It's like a superstition thing. Like, I'm like, I can't. You know, I kept it light that day. I made 10K. As you can see, I had a pretty insane month. Look at these days: 31K, 24K, 47, 22, 37, 26, 46, 28, 16, 51K in a day. This last week of July on this specific account, I did let myself slip. This 32K a day was okay. There wasn't much to go on with that day. I feel like I kept, you know, like I said, if I have a 32K, it might seem like a big loss to you guys, but you gotta compare it to my other days, right? I'm having 50K days, 46K, 47K days. So it's very relative, right, to what I'm used to losing. Now, this is the day I let things slip, but I was also hedging. So things got a little bit interesting because I had something going on my other account, which made up for it. I'll actually tell you how much I made on this account. On the other account, on this specific day, I made 120K, but I was hedging on this account, which I ended up losing altogether, not just on the hedge, but altogether 69K. So I did let this slip. It was the biggest as far as like number-wise throughout the month, so that wasn't too good. But what made up for it was that hedge. I used it to my advantage just in case on the other account where I went super heavy on that day. I took advantage of it very clean. I made 123K on that trade. I was actually up 146, but by the time I sold all my contracts, ended up being 123K. So yeah, very nice month. This day I did let slip, but I'm not mad about any red day I had this month. And as you can see, 7K, 6K, these are like flat days to me nowadays, right? Me having a 5, 6, 7, 8K day, for me, even if it's green, I consider it flat. Like me having a 10K day on Wednesday at this time in my life for the last couple months or last year has really been flat. I would say the last 6 months that's considered flat for me. But let's go take a look at daily report. Let's look at reports actually. I like looking at this. So as you can see, the time in the day where I did the best was 9 a.m. through 10 a.m. 10 a.m. looks to, oh actually, so what is that? 4 p.m. I have no idea. I guess this is 3 and 4 p.m. I'm not sure. But all I can tell you right here, 9 a.m. is the best time right here, it looks like. But look at the days, right? So Wednesdays, overall was up 20,000. Fridays I was up 140,000. Thursdays this month I was up 33, and Tuesdays were 77,000. So these is how my days came through and how it looked like. What else would look good, or what can I show you that would benefit you guys? Trade duration, you can see how long I've been in each trade. So under 1 minute I lost 12,000 overall. Trades between 5 and 10 minutes I made overall 345,000. Trades that took over 10 minutes in between 30, I lost 174,000. And trades that took 30 to an hour, I've made 115,000 altogether on this account. So it's cool to see this. I love TradeZella because this is stuff that obviously we all journal, but specific things we don't really get into detail. This does it all, right? All you do is download a CCV, which is your summary for the day from TD Ameritrade, and you just drag the file into this and it just plugs everything in, which is the best part. So overall, the beginning half of this month really had no moves, and I was making the best of it. Like, it really didn't make any sense how I was smacking this month. And then obviously the last 2 weeks have been insane, and then, you know, it looks like I did better during the part of the month where nothing was really going on versus everything that was going on this specific account. So I had a let's just say $290,000 month on this account, which is insane, you know what I mean? So I love to see the progress. I'm very happy with, you know, how long it took me to get to this, because if I got this done within my first 2 years of trading, my head would think that I'm the best in the game, but I know I'm nowhere near the best, and I know I'm nowhere near the best of my version of me, and there's a lot more to go into this. So if you guys want to see that second video of the other account, which is pretty nice too, I'll show it to you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Any other questions about how my month went, or any details that you guys would like to know, just comment down below, and I'll keep you guys updated. I appreciate you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys. Peace.